Lubricated tank mounted compressors. Let's talk about those a little bit. So they're standard set at 4560, single phase and 3-phase availability, and then they have a high pressure versions as well. And then we're showing you that include vibration pads, oil, and flex hoses. There's a breakdown of all the different parts. One of the parts that I'd really bring to your attention is number 13, the drain valve under the tank. That is a manual drain. When you compress air, you get water, okay? Because there's moisture in the air, and as we compress it, it starts to collect, and it collects in the tank. I can't tell you, I mean, how many times, it's got to be at least once a month that we get a compressor back from the field that's got a 10-gallon tank and it's got 11 gallons of water in it, and they're wondering how it failed. It failed because nobody opened up the drain valve. So again, maintenance is an issue, and that's just with any tank mounted unit.